The harsh landscape of the Middle Nile Valley in northern Sudan hides a wealth of priceless ancient artifacts. But this culture risks being lost forever by the construction of a massive new dam. In the 1990s, the Sudan made an appeal for international archaeologists to carry out digs in the area, revolutionising the historical knowledge of the area. British Museum expert Derek Welsby led the mission.
Prior to the start of this project, very little was known about this region. As a result of the work that we have done and also the many other foreign and Sudanese missions, we now know a vast amount about the area. There are very large numbers of archaeological sites from all periods, from at least 150,000 years ago up until the present.
The digs threw up a vast array of finds from all periods, from everyday objects to granite pyramids and massive fortresses. These have helped build a picture of the inhabitants, shedding light on their everyday lives, political affiliations and contacts with the outside world. Of the many sites, 2,500 were discovered by the British Museum alone.
Some of the major results come from the Kerma period. This is a kingdom that flourished between 2,500 and 1,500 BC. Kerma itself was the centre of the earliest urban culture in sub-Saharan Africa. It was for much of the period a trading partner of Egypt, but also a protagonist against Egypt, and for a time actually dominated the Nile Valley. We found a very large amount of evidence for this culture in the Fourth Cataract.
Rock art and rock gongs made from basalt were key findings. The team used specialist equipment to relocate the boulders dating between 5000 BC and AD 1500.
In this region there's a vast amount of rock art. Just within our concession area there are over 900 pieces have been studied in detail. As part of our project with Iveco in New Holland, we were able to move over 50 of these blocks down to the local town in Meroe to protect them from being inundated by the reservoir. And as a result of this, 20 pieces were donated by the National Corporation for Antiquities and Museums to the British Museum.
The donated rocks, featuring important animals and people, will form the cornerstone of a future exhibition at the British Museum, preserving at least some of this area's fascinating cultural heritage.